Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens SPX Team Select number 2 on our break here. So before we get started, I'm just going to go over everybody's teams. It's break 1024. So GL Butt with the Ducks, B Monroe with the Coyotes, Whopper 21 Cards with the Bruins, Emily with the Sabres, Rob P with the Flames, Sook 91 with the Hurricane, Nutcracker with the Blackhawks, PC Cam with the Avalanche, Bucks fan with the Blue Jackets, Sook 91 with the Stars, Dan Hia with the Red Wing, Mark Knoll 14 with the Oilers and the Panthers, B Monroe with the Kings, Doe 34 with the Wild, 24 George with the Canadiens, Bucks fan with the Preds, B Monroe with the Devils, Bucks fan with the Islanders, PC Cam with the Rangers, Bucks fan with the Sens, Eldonco Flyers, Rob P with the Penguins, Sook 91 with the Sharks, Sook 91 with the Blues, B Monroe with the Lightning, Delirium 12 with the Leafs, Bucks fan with the Canucks, and Bucks fan with the Caps, and B Monroe with the Jets. Open up my breakers thing here, then we'll get started. Just gotta make sure I can still see breakers for some. Yeah, so this will go over our case. So we'll just dump it out, make a little tower, and get started. So appreciate again everybody, especially for the guys in the room helping us build this super quick. Okay. That up. So here we go, guys. So we're gonna add 8 pre-order overtime packs into this break here. We'll just rip them, and then if you guys do want the other special spectrums, let me know. We'll include them in your package. And then for also for Saturday, we'll be doing an eBay break again. We'll see if we can put another mixer together. Add a little bit of National Hockey Card Day promos into there. So we got Brandon Gormley for the Arizona Coyotes, 229. I don't know if Flair Showcase is gonna come out by end of the month. And we have a patch for the Washington Capitals of Evgeny Kuznetsov, 74 of 99, slightly 3-color there. Kuznetsov. What do you mean coming out of the month? Oh, you're talking about the emoticon there. You got Mike Bossy for the Islanders. Sorry, I'm just trying to read out over the little tower of boxes here. Andrei Makarov, the Sabres. It looks like what's coming out end of the month. That is what I thought you were saying. And a rookie auto for the San Jose Sharks of Mirko Mueller. Oops. Let's put the camera there. Mirko Mueller. Sam Reinhart, Sabres. Next one is a Kevin Hayes for the Rangers. Next one is a Nicholas Lidstrom. Lidstrom. Colin Smith, SPX Rookies. the Avs. Next one is a winning combos of Max Pacioretty and Carey Price. Montreal Canadiens. A Duncan Keith for the Blackhawks. How are you doing tonight, Joel? Nice to see you in the room, sir. Going through that. Got Chris Wagner for the Ducks. Your jersey didn't show up to the store yet. Oh, nice. We have a blue. This one's without the patch auto. Hopefully it doesn't take away from our patch auto. We got Jonas Netman for the Montreal Canadiens. So that's the blue rookie non-patch auto. 12 of 50. Hopefully that's not the... Hopefully we get a couple more blues still. So onto box number 2. So that's like the big super stock size SPX. So on to box number 2 here, guys. Yeah. Green patch would be decent. We got finite rookies green for the Capitals of Evgeny Kuznetsov. Hey, Jason, what do you think of the Philip Forsberg trade now? Do you remember? He wasn't part of the Joe Ward trade, was he? Or no, Joe Ward was a free agent too, guys. Got Eric Stahl winning materials for the Hurricane. What was the trade for the Capitals? Who did they get in return? Oh, Martin Erat. And Erat's in like Arizona now, isn't he? Next one is a Jonathan Bernier for the Maple Leafs. Martin Erat left already, I think. Marcus Granlund for the Flames. Okay, guys. Get on my way already. And got a Yuri Seacatch short print rookie at a 249. The Montreal Canadiens. Focus. Nice hit there, going out to 24 George. So nice hit there, Wes. This one is a Savan Andrighetto rookie. Canadiens. We still have a winning combos, which is going to be random. The 2 Russian goaltenders, Sergei Bobrovsky, Samon Varlamov. Set that one over there. Next one is a Joe Sakic retro. And well, SPX rookies, Victor Rask, Hurricane. This one, Kelly Jean Crook. Looks like, yeah, it's a super soft corner. Very soft corner on the bottom there. And a red rookies auto of Cedric Paquette, the 199 Tampa Bay Lightning. Cedric Paquette. This one, Henrik Zetterberg, the Red Wings. Last box number 2. Got a Philip Denault, the Blackhawks. And on to box number 3. So, there we go. And looks like an auto 21 of 125. Got a finite spectrum auto, Brendan Gormley for the Arizona Coyotes. Brendan Gormley. Alexander Winberg, the Blue Jackets. Peter Gramberg from the Maple Leafs. We got Brody Sutter, Hurricane. And a rookie auto of Patrick Nemeth, 200 of 399. Dallas Stars. Patrick Nemeth. This one is a Kevin Hayes, the Rangers. Joe Thornton, San Jose Sharks for retro. Seth Helgeson for the Devils. And the Alexander Winberg, 399, the Blue Jackets. Next one is a gold of Taylor Hall, the Edmonton Oilers. Nice. Big TJ Oshie for the St. Louis Blues. Landon Ferrero for the Red Wings. Rookie materials of Leon Draisaitl, Edmonton Oilers. Base. Just transfer all these base cards over. Start on box number 5. There we go, guys. Or pack box 4, sorry. I don't know why I said box 5 already. Box number 4. And a rookie Spectrum auto, Seth Griffith for the Boston Bruins, 125. Oops. Next one is a winning combos, Anze Kopitar, Drew Doughty. Jean Beliveau for the Habs. SPX rookies of Scott Darling, Caps. Caps. Or for the Blackhawks, sorry. And I thought this is Jake McCabe, the Buffalo Sabres. I thought this was Sam Reinhart, but it's not. It's Jake McCabe, the Sabres. Nice. SPX rookies of Josh Joris, Jeremy Roenick gold, the Chicago Blackhawks, 28/50. Misses jersey number by 1 there. Sorry, Thomas. Got Yuri Laterra for the Blues. Nice to see him in the product. Christian Foligno, the Wild. Got a Savan Andre Ghetto. Oh, sick. Okay, it looks like a number. We got a rookie patch auto of Chris Tierney for the San Jose Sharks. 21/50. I think it's one of those teams that had the insanely discount. That's going out to Sook91. Nice hit there, Mike. And retro Marty, the Blues. Get a few bucks right now. Marty. William Karlsson for the Ducks. Nice. Now we're on to box 5. Yeah, it's not the red colors, Canada or Devils. We got Victor Rask out of 299, 74 of 299. I agree, Rob. I even said that too when I saw his base card from this one earlier. Got a Jaromir Jagr for the Devils. Got a Borna Randelik, Avalanche. Hey, what's your guys' opinion on 0708 SP Authentic case break? I got 2.5 cases of that stuff. And this one has absolutely destroyed these corners, base cards. But the hit looks good. The hit looks good. We got Troy Grosenick, the Sharks. Do you guys think we should just use the boxes for mixers, or... Because that's Jonathan Quick's rookie year. This box is destroyed. The base card is destroyed, but the hit is good. So put the bottom there. Ryan Sproul, $3.99. Yeah, like it's Taze, Kane, Carey Price, Bobby Ryan, Jack Johnson. Got Jonathan Drouin, SPX. Maybe I'll add a couple of those into a mixer and see what happens with that. Because I think it can get expensive for a team select break, or pretty much if we did team select, Montreal and Chicago would be the 2 most expensive teams. Steven Stamkos. Almost team select or team random, or random to team draft is probably the best way to do it, maybe. We have a Johan Sundstrom. It has a big bad streak going right at the card there. The Islanders. 07, 08. 07, 08. And these ones are destroyed corners again with the base cards. And Curtis Lazar, short print, jersey auto, and it is in good condition, except for the bottom there. That's just a little bit of the fading. Curtis Lazar. I'm almost thinking mixers would be better, but this one we got a Seth Griffith for the Boston Bruins. Alec Martinez is 08-09. Or no, 09-10, sorry. 09-10. Got a Alexander Koklachev for the Bruins. Got a Sam Carrick for the Leafs. Oh yeah. There are a couple of redemptions, but I don't know. Most of the key rookies are all live, and Quick is just a super expensive non-auto rookie. We got Brad Richards for the Stars. Do you have a Weston, Irvin? Because they always stay with the Weston group. Is there such a place called Weston Hotels in California? That's probably where they're at, sir. Because all the players always stay at the Weston group. So, ride your bicycle or take your scooter and rush down there. And Tom is complaining, and here you go. We got Teuvo Teravainen in Emerald. $2.99 for the Blackhawks. That was your one time, Tom. Next one is a winning combos of Erik Karlsson, PK Subban. It's going to be random. Got a Blake Wheeler for the Jets. Got Kristers Galaskis for the Lightning. This feels like a patch. Nope. I don't know why these base cards are so destroyed. They're actually really badly destroyed. We've got Tuukka Rask, winning materials. Andrew Agazino. Not much. Kristers. Yep. It's from Latvia. It's 1-0. 1-0 for the Lightning. He'll be in the All-Star game next year. And a Flashback Fabrics patches, 2-color. Peter Forsberg for the Flyers, number 2/15. Going out to Zach. Peter Forsberg. Got a Eric Stahl. Hurricane. Anton Forsberg. Wonder what his stats are like. In the Swedish League, he was 11-11. Ty Ratty for the Blues, retro. Oscar Cliffbaum, Oilers. Come on, one more patch auto. rookie jersey auto with $3.99 of Laurent Brossoit. I don't know. Or yeah, they are doing Series 2. I think it comes out March or something. Got Sidney Crosby. I won't be group breaking any of that though. Sad to report, guys. Or we might do one case maybe. Oh, they might have dropped it maybe then. I'll double check, but I placed my pre-order for Series 2 though. I did place my pre-order for Series 2, so stand this box up. So some the finite rookie emerald, Jonathan Drouin, 149. So this one, the short prints, because there's the black 1-of-1 versions of these, right? Oh, nice. Shadow box. No ink though. We got Corey Perry. It would have been nice to get the Solani one. Solani or Gretzky. Those are the only two auto ones in the set. So that's going out to Glenn. Corey Perry. Carey Price. Oh yeah, I forgot about the auto rookie ones. I think Tavo and is it Kuznetsov who has one too? Or is Tavo the only guy? Got Mike Helmel, the Islanders. And big psych there, Rob. Got Corbin Knight, rookie jersey auto. Jersey auto. Base. Got Nathan McKinnon. Avalanche. Kevin Zuzman, Islanders. Come on. We need another patch auto. Darnell Nurse. Damn it, Oilers. Got Michael Zalewski, the Canucks. And the winning materials for the Colorado Avalanche. Duchesne. PK Subban. Canadiens. And Shane's gotta be here. Shane's definitely gotta be here. And that's his real name too, by the way, for people that think I'm kind of making a joke. And a Adam Clendening, the Blackhawks. Okay, so on to our final box, guys. Let's put these away. Good luck. We're gonna probably put the box back up, block the screen there, so the camera can focus properly without firing all over the place. Here we go, guys. Start off with our finite. Too bad I couldn't get you two of them, Rob. We got a finite rookie of Johnny Gaudreau Emerald. Couldn't get you a second one out of 49. This one's out of 199, 46, 199. Johnny Gaudreau. Now we have a trios. We're just going into a random. We got Curtis Azar, Sam Reinhart, and Alexander Winberg. What's the relationship on that? Left. I have no idea what the connection is. Is Winberg Canadian? I don't know. Those two guys played on the junior team and won gold, but no idea what the relationship is. Yeah, Jordan Eberle. I don't think they all played on the same team together either. So Zara played for the Oil Kings in junior. Sam Reinhart played for Everett or something. Got Andre Makarov, the Sabres. Next one, Joey Heishin, $3.99, the Avalanche. Scott Mayfield, Islanders. And rookie materials of Andre Burakovsky, the Caps. Here's Mr. David Pasternak. That's Boston Bruins, by the way. Colin Smith. Alex Ovechkin. And redemption. Speaking of Mr. David Pasternak, I got a Spectrum red rookie auto numbered to 199 of David Pasternak. The Boston Bruins. Bo Horvat, the Canucks. Got one more shot at a patch auto. We only got, yeah, we just got the one. And what's the break without, or what's a case break without Jordan Bennington? Haven't missed him yet. Got him in every single 8-box case so far. Two of them, I've seen two of them. Okay, so let's do we're going to add 8 overtime packs into this break here, guys. And if you do want any of these ones, just let me know. But we got Patrick Marleau at a 99 and a Yeri C catch. So the different color ones and those rookie ones all included in the package. For everyone. Got Marc-Andre Fleury, Penguins, and Oscar Klefbom, the Oilers. Yeah, no auto. Rookie review of Teuvo Teravainen. Zdeno Chara Blue. The Brendan Gormley, the Coyotes. I'm starting to lose my voice here. The Marcus Granlund, Calgary Flames. Leon Draisaitl, Oilers. Give us an auto. Dewar Piercy, and Johnny Gaudreau, the Flames. Final pack, guys. A Corbin Knight blue and a Kelly Jean Croc for the Preds. Yeah, so there we have it, guys. So just give me a minute. I'll set up our. Actually, we got a couple. I should have like 2 or 3 multi-team randoms to do. There we got 3 of them. So let's give me a second here. Set those up. So we're just going to do the standard 3 times here. Since that's what we did with the other one. We gotta roll the dice there. So the camera doesn't crap out on us here. Okay, got those other ones set up. Sweet. There you go. Okay, so on to our multi-team randoms, guys. So first one we're going to do is going to be for the Bobrovsky Varlamov. So 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. The winner is the Colorado Avalanche. You randomize this list 3 times. And the next one, got the defensemen, Carlson and Subban. So 1, 2, 3. Let's go now to the Ottawa Senators. And randomize this list 3 times. On to our last multi-team random. The Curtis Lazar, Sam Reinhart, and Alexander Winberg. So 1, 2, and 3. That one is going out to the Ottawa Senators also. Randomize that list 3 times. Now on to our next one. It's going to be a random between everybody. So top 6 names. So we're going to do a random for our 5 tribute Young Guns, and then we got the one of the canvas packs. It looks like, I think it's like just 3 Young Gun cards. The Strome's the Young Gun on the back, and CC, then whomever in the middle is. Okay, so we're going to random list 3 times. Top 6 names are going to get randomly paired with one of the items there. So good luck, guys. So 1, 2, and 3. Dan Hia, Rob P, Bucks fan, PC Cam, Doe 34, and B Monroe. So those are the 6 top names. And these are the items, so 3 times, so we'll pair them up. 1, 2, 3. So I got Gilmore on top and Guy Carbonneau on the bottom. Oops. I'm just going to find our window here. Okay, so quickly pair them up. So Dan Hia with Doug Gilmore, Rob P with Brodeur, Bucks fan with the Hasek, PC Cam with the Canvas Pack, Doe 34 with this Martin St. Louis, and B Monroe with Guy Carbonneau. So appreciate it again, everybody.